The future of auto maintenance is poised for remarkable growth and presents a smart investment opportunity. Welcome to Autocare 360. In this video, we will dive into the exciting world of auto maintenance business and explore the compelling reasons why it's a highly lucrative and smart investment opportunity. On this channel, we share valuable insights into the auto maintenance industry and uncover the hidden investment opportunities within the thriving automotive industry. So consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get started. Here are some key reasons why investing in the future of auto maintenance is a wise choice. 1. Increasing vehicle ownership. The global vehicle ownership rate is on the rise, driven by growing populations, urbanization, and improving living standards. As more individuals become vehicle owners, the demand for auto maintenance services will continue to increase. Investing in auto maintenance ensures you tap into a growing market with a consistent customer base. 2. Technological advancements. The automotive industry is undergoing a significant technological transformation. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving systems, vehicles are becoming increasingly complex and sophisticated. This creates a demand for specialized maintenance and repair services, offering opportunities for investors to capitalize on emerging technologies and serve the evolving needs of vehicle owners. 3. Shift towards preventative maintenance. With the rising cost of vehicle repairs, there is a growing emphasis on preventative maintenance. Vehicle owners are recognizing the value of regular servicing and maintenance to avoid expensive breakdowns and repairs in the future. By investing in auto maintenance, you position yourself to meet this demand for preventative services and build long-term customer relationships. 4. Sustainability and environmental focus. The automotive industry is experiencing a strong push towards sustainability and reduced emissions. As regulations and consumer preferences shift towards eco-friendly transportation, investing in auto maintenance that caters to electric vehicles and other sustainable technologies can position you at the forefront of this growing market. 5. Integration of digital solutions. The digital revolution is permeating the auto maintenance industry, leading to the emergence of innovative solutions such as cloud-based management systems, remote diagnostics, and predictive maintenance. By investing in digital tools and platforms, you can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and deliver enhanced customer experiences. 6. Job creation and skills development. Investing in auto maintenance not only presents a business opportunity but also contributes to job creation and skills development. As the industry grows, more skilled technicians will be needed to meet the demand for specialized services. By investing in training and development programs, you can foster a skilled workforce and contribute to the overall growth of the sector. 7. Resilience and stability. The auto maintenance industry has demonstrated resilience and stability, even during challenging economic times. Vehicles require regular maintenance and repairs regardless of the economic climate, making auto maintenance a recession-resistant investment. Investing in the future of auto maintenance offers the potential for long-term growth, as the industry continues to evolve and adapt to changing trends and technologies. By staying ahead of the curve, embracing emerging advancements, and providing exceptional customer service, you can position yourself for success in this dynamic and ever-expanding sector. To therefore make the investment open to every car enthusiast, Autocare 360 has designed auto shop setup packages for modern vulcanizing shop, mechanic shop, lube bay, washing bay, car body straightening and spray shop, etc., making it easy for everyone to venture into this booming business. Visit our website www.autocare360x.com or contact us through email. We can deliver your machines and equipment to any country. So get in touch with us now. Share your views at the comment sections below and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's build a community together. Thank you.